Gabby.
And we are Anna
And Gabby.
And today we're going to be trying some Japanese/Chinese snacks. And we're going to see what they taste like. And so
Show what we have.
Yes. So we have Pocky. I can't read this. Some noodles and green peas. Some striking popping candy.
We have these sodas, orange and pineapple, and green apple and mango haichu, which is very popular.
So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with Pocky, which is an oldie but a goodie. I know how to open it. Wait, just pull that. Okay. I've had Pocky before, I think. Yeah, it's really good.
I like it.
I love Pocky. Pocky's so good. Definitely saving that. Save this for last.
Yeah.
So let's try the haichu. Which one should we try first? The mango?
Most like you tried this one, and the most like.
Okay. So this is haichu.
The mango haichu.
And I have green apple haichu. I've never had this before. Oh! Just comes out like that.
I'm thinking of two.
Okay, here, I got one for you too, because I guess we're thinking about each other.
It's so good. I love mango stuff.
That is so good, but it's like really chewy. I feel like it's gonna take me like a good 5 minutes to finish this candy. It's okay. I mean, I don't love it.
The mango's good.
Mango's good? Okay. Okay, we switched flavors. Now I have the mango one and she has the
Green apple.
green apple. So.
So yeah.
I love the mango one. Oh my gosh, the mango one is so good.
I really like green apple.
Me neither. I love the mango one. It's really good. Yeah. We have now striking popping candy.
Is this like Pop Rock?
I think this is Pop Rocks, yeah. Hiya! So when you reach inside, you have these little packets. Here you go.
Yep.
I'm gonna do a close up. I think I could eat like the entire packet of these.
Okay, so we have.
Oh, I'm so excited for this.
I picked up the pineapple. She picked up orange. These are like our favorite flavors.
Yeah. So I'm not sure how to open this. It's like confusing packaging. Whoa!
Yeah, you get that.
Hold on, my cat.
Okay. Does this even like so basically close it? No, you can't close it.
Oh, you can't ever close it?
Yeah.
What's this?
Push this out. So get the marble out.
Oh!
I've opened these before. I haven't tried the pineapple one before.
I've never tried this before.
I tried like
so
the
apparently this thing comes off, and then you like pop out the little thing inside. Whoa.
So it's like this is a very.
Here, maybe we should move the camera so they can see what we're doing. Okay. Okay. So.
One.
So I think, yeah. Whoa! Whoa! I didn't do mine yet. Is that what's supposed to happen?
I think because we shook it a little bit.
Oh gosh. Is mine shake too?
Wait. Before you do anything.
Yeah, let's put it underneath. That scares me.
I felt like air
Okay, ready?
Funny.
Oh, I'm scared. Is it gonna hurt?
Oh, no, it doesn't hurt.
I'm really scared. Can you get the marble out?
Yeah, you can like jam it out. We'll do that.
I'm scared.
Want me to do it?
No,
for
I
you?
got this. I'm really scared. No, I have to do this because I'm a big girl.
No, it's not that scary. Like seriously, it doesn't hurt at all. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh my god. Okay.
Alright, so
I have a better napkin for me. Hold it away. Make sure it's down.
but it's really good. That's really good. So there's like a marble inside. It's really cool. And if you go like this, the marble gets stopped, but if you go like this, it doesn't, and like it can go up here and like stop you from drinking. So, is this the last one? This is the one I'm very excited for. It says noodles and green peas. I don't know, but I'm so excited.
Oh, it's all packaged.
Oh! So inside there's like little packages, like this.
I don't like green peas.
I'm very excited for this.
I'm opening it. Can I try it?
Me too.
A little piece from one piece.
Don't worry, I did. That is so good. I love it. That is so good.
Going this way. I don't want to get sharped. 3, 2.
Okay, where's the ball? So yeah, we found the ball.
Yep, I found
So
it.
subscribe because we cracked open a bottle for you guys.
Yes.
So
Last year.
goodbye.
Peace out. That was so weak, Anna.
I don't want to break it.
As hard as you can. Oh my gosh, Anna, come on. Wait, someone got broke.
Ready?
Finally.
Found my marble.
I found it again.
Gabby's just good at finding the marbles, okay? It's just a gift of hers. Here. Can I see the marble? See the marble, feel the marble, be the marble. See the marble, feel the marble, be the marble. So thank you guys for watching.
Like, subscribe, and yeah.
Oh, to maybe be featured in our next video, you should comment down below which one of these treats which you want to try and which one you think that would make you barf. And yeah. See you next time. Bye. Look, I got it on my sweater. I don't know if you can see it.